Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Meshchain Airdrop. How to add the contract address to your Trust Wallet, the listing date, and everything you need to know about Meshchain Airdrop. Over here, you can see that countdown has started and is remaining a day for the listing day, which is on January 23rd. Meshchain airdrop will be listed, and before this you need to add your contract address to your exchanges. It can be Trust Wallet, it can be MetaMask, any wallet of your choice. Now let's go to their updates. Here is their new update. MCC token withdrawal features is now available. We are excited to announce that the MCC token withdrawal feature to personal wallet is now officially live. You can now take full control of your assets easily and securely. MCC token. The token name is Meshchain coin. The symbol is MCC, and here is the contract address. The decimal is 18. So we are going to copy this contract address. We now import it to our Trust Wallet. It can be Trust Wallet or MetaMask, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Trust Wallet. And at this point, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates and everything you need to know about airdrop. Now let's copy this contract address and now move to Trust Wallet. Highlight it to copy. Okay, you now click on copy. Click over to this plus icon here so that we can import the contract address. Tap on it. So right here, you are going to click on this plus sign again. Look at this plus sign here. Click on it. So we are going to import that contract address. We are going to change this. We are going to change this network to BNB. That's Binance Smart Chain. Tap on it. Tap on this Ethereum to change it. Over here, we are going to click on BNB. That's Binance Smart Chain. BNB Smart Chain. We are going to tap on it. So that is the network. We are going to now paste the contract address that we copied from their page, from their Telegram channel. We are going to paste the contract address here. Then the name is Meshchain coin. The symbol is MCC and the decimal is 18. Once everything is in order, you click on this import. Click on import. Token added. Over here, you can now see that we have imported the MCC contract address. Now we are waiting for the listing day whereby we can now transfer our token from Meshchain Trust Wallet. As simple as that. As simple as that. So we'll make sure that you have finished your task. Link all your wallets, any wallet that you're supposed to link. Make sure you link them. Click on the N. You have to connect your wallet, connect your S account, do the tasks that you are supposed to do them and get the point. And also join the Meshchain Telegram to Airdrop. If you have not done that, you will see it on the end session. Do it. Connect your wallet, link all your linkables, and get the point. If you find this video educative and helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.